What if I told you there is a place in Europe where nature still feels completely untouched? A place where cliffs rise dramatically from the ocean and the wind tells ancient story. Welcome to the Faroe Islands, a remote archipelago located between Iceland and Norway, in the heart of the North Atlantic Ocean. A hidden destination that remains unknown to many travelers. Here, nature dominates everything. Green mountains stretch endlessly, waterfalls fall into the sea, and the landscape changes every minute under shifting skies. The Faroe Islands are made up of 18 volcanic islands, connected by an impressive network of tunnels, bridges, and ferries. Exploring them feels like traveling through a world suspended between land, sea, and sky. One of the most iconic locations is the small village of Cascading. Here, the famous Múlafossur Waterfall plunges directly into the Atlantic Ocean, creating one of the most breathtaking views in Europe. Standing here, you feel the power of nature in its purest form. It's a place that looks almost unreal, like something out of a dream. Another incredible sight is Lake Sørvágsvatn, famous for its unique optical illusion. From certain angles, it appears as if the lake is floating high above the ocean cliffs. The islands are also rich in wildlife. Thousands of seabirds nest along the cliffs, including the charming puffins that attract visitors from all over the world. But the Faroe Islands are not just about landscapes. Small villages, colorful houses, and traditional grass roofs reflect a culture deeply connected to nature and simplicity. The weather changes constantly. Sunshine, fog, wind, and rain can all happen within a single hour, making every moment feel unique and alive. This is a place where silence speaks, where time slows down, and where nature reminds you how powerful and beautiful the world can be. If you're searching for a destination far from the crowds, the Faroe Islands might just be your perfect escape.
Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip and keep exploring the world, one hidden destination at a time.